The other day I got an email from Temu's influencer program inviting me to review some of the stuff on their website. They only offered me $90 worth of products, so of course, being who I am, I said yes. Back in my day, we had a website called wish.com and packages would take years to show up. To be fair, I'm still waiting for some things, but I moved houses, so. But Temu, on the other hand, got everything here super quick, so we're off to a good start. Let's do this really big one, which I think, wow, that box got some love. Only making it worse. Okay, anyways, this is an LED table lamp and it looks really cool. The pictures were awesome, but is it actually going to look like that when I open it up? $25.39. Honestly, it looks just like the photos in terms of the shape. You can tell it's like that flex tube lighting because it's very rubbery. And you got some plastic here in the middle, a nice base with some like felt padding on the bottom. The only real problem is that it's a typical USB cable and it has a built-in controller, which means it's not smart. Yeah, no, I guess it does work, but let's hope it does more than red or blue. Or green. Is it just solid colors? It looks so much cooler on the video. So we got the jump, the fade. That's nice, a little quick fade for you. The pulse, and that, okay, that is it. That is all the different options this thing has. For $26, the most expensive thing out of everything we got today, this was a letdown. It looks cool, don't get me wrong, but I don't think it looks as good as the product picture. So, you win some, you lose most. Oh my God. Okay, so I saw a really cool LED clock, and I'm gonna be honest, I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but you know, it's not. It's kind of what you expect from sites like this, is you see something, it looks ginormous, you don't read the description, and next thing you know, you have like a 2-inch clock. For $7.49, it's actually pretty good. It does take AAA batteries, or you can plug it in. I feel like Clark Griswold, just plugging everything in. Apparently it's 0:01 o'clock. So, directions. I do not speak that language. I do speak this one. Cool, so we have a functioning clock now. 6:11 p.m. on June 13th, 75 degrees. Okay, for $6.49, I think this is a nice little thing to have in your setup. It's small, fit under a monitor. I call it a win. Okay, so this one I thought was pretty interesting because I've seen it in a lot of setups recently. Flame aromatherapy machine. Basically, it's like RGB and just really more than anything is aesthetically pleasing. So it's got the LEDs on top. It's pretty basic. I guess we just fill it with some water and boom, you know? Well, hopefully not like explosion, but like humidity. This one cost us $16.49. And I'm pretty excited to see how it does. The back of this is USB-C. I am a little annoyed by the white cable for the black option, but what are you gonna do? It's doing things. Oh, snap. Okay, that one is cool. I see why people love these things because that is the coolest thing ever. It looks like your desk would be on fire, but that wouldn't be smart. So instead you just do this. And then there are different color modes. Ooh, green, wow, very nice. Just shift through all the colors. So it's very limited on options, but it's really okay because this is probably what you want. You either want it shifting through RGB because you're an absolute top tier gamer, or you just want it to look like there's a fire. Get it because it's fire? Just to remind you, this was $16.49, which is significantly better than that lamp we bought for $26. You're coming home with me. I'm gonna keep it. This next one is super weird. This is awesome. I love it. It's an alien sitting down, going like this. This is the best purchase of the episode. Out of all the things I got, I thought for sure this would be the one thing that does not look like its photo. I gotta say, this is literally identical. He only cost $5.49, and that is so worth it in every way. 2 more things to go. This next one is pretty smart. Right out of the box, the 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, perfect. So we got our little collector, some attachments. Oh my God. Just picked up some of the little styrofoam pieces, which is pretty nice. Got this tube here. We even have a little brush attachment here, so for cleaning our keyboard. I thought everything that was in there would just come out, but this little flap here is protecting it. So I'm impressed. Honestly, this is a really nice thing to have. This whole kit was $10.99. I mean, come on. If you put this on, you clean your keyboard, you take it into your car, you clean everything up, you get the little brush attachments and stuff. I mean, there are so many different use cases where it'd be nice to have a little portable mini vacuum at your disposal. This thing sucks in the best way possible. Last but not least, something I think a lot of people would like to have in their setup. Technically, this should have been the first thing that I opened. We're on air. Don't come in, Mom, I'm filming. So this was $18 and they had different color variants and stuff, but the picture of this one at night looked pretty freaking cool. Yay! I swear to God, everything today just wants basic ass USB. Okay, got a little button here on the remote. Come on, are you kidding me? This is cool. Should I remind you that this is only $18? Again, better than the $26 freaking lamp over there.
It's time for rapid fire. Basically, I go over everything again, but really fast.
Also, I know the lighting isn't great, but I did that on purpose so you can enjoy everything as I go through
rapid fire.
$25.39 for this lamp, $16.49 for the humidifier. Pretty good. $7.49 for this little clock. No, every time I unplug it, I lose the date and the time, and it's annoying. $5.49 for the alien guy, 2 thumbs up. $17.99 for the on-air sign. Yeah, I like it. $10.99 for this little vacuum. It sucks, and I love it. 99 cents for 5 of these little cable clips. I just don't think it's worth it. They're really not that good. 79 cents for this little rubber adhesive cable manager. Yeah, I mean, I think it's good. I don't know what it would run for on Amazon if you were to buy like 20 of these in bulk, but if you're trying to get to reach a total to get free shipping or something, it's a good thing to throw in. The total for everything here, minus the money I was supposed to get, is $85.61. And I would call that a pretty awesome win, especially if I got rid of this thing right here. This is a good haul. I would not complain about this. My expectations were very, very low, but I am pleasantly surprised, and I would do more Temu videos in the future if you want, so let me know in the comments below. I'll leave a link to all the things you see here. Go ahead, check it out. They always have crazy coupons that confuse me, so maybe you can pick some of this stuff up for even cheaper. At the very least, go ahead and pick yourself up the little alien guy. He's awesome. Anyways, guys, with that said, don't forget I'm Matt Philly and you're not. Get out of my face, have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flippity flop. What am I gonna do with all of this stuff?
Thank you for watching Swashin on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed watching. If not, then fuck you. Please hit subscribe because my channel is dead. Jesus Christ, man, that's just really sad.